I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. So, according to the latest guideline, how long one should wait to take the COVID 19 vaccine in India after recovering from the coronavirus infection. Now, there are few important points regarding this topic, and I will discuss them in detail for your ease of understanding. In India, those who have recently recovered from the coronavirus infection have been asked to wait for 3 months before getting the coronavirus vaccination. Now, the government authorities are working hard to bridge the gap between the availability of the coronavirus vaccines and the wide scale inoculations. This guideline has been issued in the month of May 2021 when the second wave was still surging. Now, this decision is made and is suggested because it is presumed that a person having battled the COVID 19 infection already has some level of immunity naturally. But some, in the fear of being reinfected, are also getting vaccinated before the 3 months wait period. Now, is it worth waiting? We will explain you today why the decision has been taken. Now, over the past few months, there have been several clinical studies and observations regarding this matter. And most of the available data suggests that peak immunity against coronavirus lasts for around 90 to 120 days after the infection. And after this timeline, it is suspected that the immunity starts to drop and may not be as strong as before. Again, a lot of these factors about how strongly the antibodies are mounting also depend on factors like the severity of infection, then age, gender, immunohealth, etc. Now, what is a natural immunity? So, a natural immunity is said to be the immunity that builds up weeks following the body fighting an infection on its own, whereas vaccine driven immunity or artificial immunity is built up when the body is injected with a vaccine that mimics the infection and trains our immune system to recognize the pathogen. Now, I will tell you a very important point. Vaccines which work to deliver an effective response will only be most helpful and beneficial for a person who has recovered from COVID 19 previously if taken after the drop of his natural immunity. So they can wait safely for 3 months, and in the meanwhile, some more people can get inoculated and achieve at least some level of immunity. Now, another very important thing I will mention in this regard, almost every week we are dealing with some new mutated coronavirus strain. The virulent nature of the mutations has considerably raised reinfection risk and has also increased the number of post vaccination infections or breakthrough ones. As the virus mutates, it becomes smarter and is better able to escape our immune defenses and spread more voraciously, causing infections. And that is why we are seeing a lot of reinfection and breakthrough cases right now. Thus, after completion of the vaccination or after recovering from the COVID 19 infection, please don't live under the false impression that now I can go around without wearing any mask since I have protective antibodies inside me. There is every possibility of reinfections, and the muted strains are also dangerous, very dangerous. Vaccination will reduce the risk of complications only. So you need to wear a proper mask properly as soon as you step out of your home. Only a proper mask can protect you from the coronavirus infection and nothing else. If you find our video informative, then please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and informations. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.